Merry Christmas, guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Merry Christmas! Today is Christmas Day, and are you super happy? Did you get everything you asked Santa for?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Doc Hudson and red fire truck.
Yeah.
Right here.
We got Doc Hudson and the red fire truck from Cars 1. And we'll show you guys that in another video when we do another toy that we got, right? Super cool.
This one.
Yep. All right. So today we're going to open
Jurassic World.
Jurassic World Dino Surprise.
Yes, open it.
Let's open it. All right, let's do it. Let's crack it open and see what we got inside.
Okay.
Okay, so open the egg.
It's sand.
Sand. Okay, so let's see. What do we have? We have some
Sand.
prehistoric sand.
Look at.
We have.
Look at this. What's
that?
right here.
Oh, so this is, what is this? Amber
Slime.
slime. Grade A amber.
What's this?
Oh, look at this one.
Huh?
All right, so how many packages do we
1,
have?
2, 3, 4.
Good job. And then some stickers. Is this what this is? Some stickers. What's in there? Okay, let's open up the instructions. Let's see what they say.
Carnotaurus.
Carnotaurus?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we can get. So it's either going to be a Carnotaurus,
Yeah.
a Spinosaurus, or
Carnotaurus.
Carnotaurus. And we got a Carnotaurus. Can I see that little? Let me see. What does that say? Carnotaurus.
Yeah. It's a pig. It's a possible.
Oh, sticky? Sticky sand?
How to get it out?
Okay, let's get it all clean. What are you going to open up next?
This one.
All right, so what's that? What does it say on the front?
How
Grade A
I can
amber. Here, let me see.
open it.
Grade A amber sold here.
Dad.
Ooh, this is going to be sticky, icky.
Oh my goodness.
For the spoon.
Hold it and then scoop.
It's like Jello. It is like
Look, the
Jello.
whole thing's coming out.
Just dump it all out.
There you go. Whoa. That's amber?
I got it.
So we got a tail in the amber jelly stuff. You want to go wash it? Let's go rinse it off.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got the tail all rinsed off. So we have, what do we have so far?
Carnotaurus. That's Carnotaurus.
That's the Carnotaurus's head. So we have the tail and we have the head. So what do we need?
This.
So you think the body's in the slime? Is this
Daddy.
slimy?
Ew.
Yuck. It's caca.
Yuck.
It's slimy.
Slime. What booger?
slimy.
Kiss my hand.
Yeah. Dump it on the table and let's see what's inside. Just dump it.
This is something.
You see something?
It's his body.
It's his body?
That's his body.
That's some cool looking slime.
We finished.
Mm-hmm.
We all finished.
Well, we have to put the body together now, right? So let's put him together. So we have the tail, the head, and the body, and some slime. Let's put them together, honey.
Okay. This. We are done.
We're all done. And we got ourselves a brand new Carnotaurus.
Let's paint the slime. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.
See you later, YouTube.
See
Have a
you
Merry
later.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.